I just found a way you can actually get coins on JOYO Life for free. I can't imagine that I didn't even know this all the while. So if you're that person that has been looking for how to purchase coins on JOYO Live, probably you don't have the means to buy coins, or you've been trying to buy coins and you've just been unable to buy coins yourself on the JOYO Livestream app, search no further, worry no more. I've got the solution for you. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can get coins on JOYO Live directly from the JOYO Live app for free. And these coins can be used to send gifts when you're live streaming, play games, and gamble to win more coins, that like you literally multiplying your coins, and you can thereafter use it to do exchanges, convert it to diamonds, and then withdraw your money on JOYO Live. Please forgive how I look and the sound in my background. I just had to record this video immediately I discovered this particular update, and I know that a lot of you are going to find this helpful. Make sure you stick with me to the end of this video. Make sure you are watching every part of this video without skipping, because I'm going to show you how you can get free coins every day. Yes, you can do this every day, and you don't even have to spend money on coins. So now let me take you to my phone screen and let's just get started with this video. First step is to log into your JOYO account. Then you navigate to the My section. I believe by now you should know where your My section is located. All right, so now we are on our My section, and then click on the button that says reward. Yes, this is where we're going to be seeing what exactly we are to do to get free coins daily on JOYO Livestream app. Okay, so allow it load. Now click on that part that says daily. Yes, when you click on that part that says daily, it's going to redirect to this place. And can you see daily tasks you are to complete every day to get free coins on JOYO Live? Now let's look at it together and let me explain it to you, so those of you that are interested will know how to go about this and start getting your free coins without having to spend a dime. Alright, the first one says win 1,000 times or above the prize with lucky gifts. So this particular one requires you to do something. Before we get there, let me go to the one that requires you to not do anything much. Now let's look at number 4, or let's go to number 3 first. Number 3 says share the live stream link to WhatsApp or Messenger. So what you have to do basically is to share the live stream link, and then you get 20 coins for free. When you click on go, you'll be redirected to the live stream that you are expected to share the link. Yes, I know you might be confused. You might ask me now in the comment section, am I to share my own live stream, or is it my own live stream I'm going to share? But that's not the case with this task. When you click on go, you'll be redirected to a live stream. Let's click on go and let's see where it takes us to. So this is them redirecting you to someone's live stream. Alright, so it says £30 have entered. I've entered someone's live stream currently, and then you share this person's live stream to WhatsApp or Messenger. So how are you going to share this person's live stream? See where it says, look at this 3 horizontal lines here, not this, the 3 horizontal line. Are you seeing that? And you see where it says share. So it says share to Messenger, share to WhatsApp, share to Instagram. So if you have any of these social media accounts, just click on it and then share. For me, I don't have WhatsApp. I have WhatsApp Business. That's why I'm going to click on more. That's 3 dots there. Click on it, and then so I can see the option to share it to my WhatsApp Business. Okay, so now it has redirected me here. I'm going to share it to myself on WhatsApp. Okay, this is just what you're going to do. Pick the number you want to share it to, and then you see the link will automatically appear, and that's basically it. You come back, leave the live stream, and then go back to your reward center for it to reflect. Is either you refresh or just go out of the reward center and come back, then you will see the receive button pop up. So you see that I have successfully shared it to my WhatsApp line, and then the app has recognized that I've successfully shared this live stream. Okay, so that's why you can see that the receive button is not available. So I'll just click on receive. All right, that's successful. I've successfully claimed 20 coins for free. So now I've done number 3. Let's move to number 4. Number 4 says watch the live stream for greater than or equals to 15 minutes. Is either you watch it for 15 minutes or more than 15 minutes. So you see I've already gone to someone's live stream to stay for like 2 minutes. That's why I see this that it is counting here as 2 out of 15. I hope I'm not rushing. I'll try to slow down so you can understand. Okay, and if at all you have questions, start leaving it below in the comment section right now. Okay, so the second one says watch the live stream. So for you to complete this one, you click on go again, and then it will redirect you to the particular live stream that you are to watch. Stay there for 15 minutes. Once you're done, come back here and claim your 15 coins for free. Alright, that is number 4 task, daily free coins task completed like that. So the next one, which is the number 5 daily free coins task, says speak in the voice room for greater than or equals to 15 minutes. So it's either you are in someone's party and you talk on the mic for 15 minutes or more than 15 minutes, and if you're able to do that successfully, you get 15 coins for what? For free. So that's that with the fifth tax. I hope that's understood. I'm trying to rush so that we don't spend much time explaining this tax, okay? But I want to guide you on how to do it. So many of you that might be confused on how to go about this would no longer be confused after watching this video. Okay, so please like this video right now if you know you are getting value. All right, the last one says post greater than equals to 10 messages in the room. So if you are in someone's party now, you are required to post like 10 messages in the comment section. All right, in the comment section. How do you go about that? Okay, I don't know if you would like me to show you how to speak in the voice room or not. If you want me to do that, I might do a separate short video. Just drop the comments below. I want you, if you want me to like show you really how to perform other tasks that I'm not like laying emphasis on, please drop a comment below. All right, the last one says post messages in the room. So if you post messages, if you click on go, it will redirect you to someone's live stream. Please always click go. Don't go and do it separately, although it might reflect, but I would advise you that if you want to complete this task, complete it from this end, so they'll be the one to recommend the live stream you go to. I hope that is understood. Always click on go when you are ready to complete the task. So post 10 messages in the comment section. When you're on someone's live, you will see the comment section by the left, like this chat box here. You will see it by the left in the live stream, so you can just say hi, communicate with the person, and if you want me to go live so we can complete this task together, let me know below. So I'll create room, giving you guys opportunity to like interact in the comment section and then complete this task to perform to receive your 10 coins for free. Now we are done with that. We're done with that. And the last one, okay, I think I've not touched the first and second one, and the reason is because you have to spend coins on this one. The first one says win 1,000 times or above the price with lucky gifts. So if you already have enough coins in your account, you can then gift somebody. All right, you can give someone in the live stream through lucky gifts, and then if you win 1,000 times, they will give you 10 coins for free. This one seems difficult to me because winning 1,000 times, you're going to like have to continue gambling and then just for 10 coins. But if you are capable of doing that, you can go ahead. The second one that I've not treated, which is the last one, or second to the last one, because we still have one more, says any game bet greater than equals to 50,000 coins, you get 50 coins. So if you have enough coins in your account and then you're live streaming, you can go ahead to play games. And if you're able to bet like 50,000 coins when you are playing the games, whether you win or not, whether they chop your coins or they leave your coins for you, or you win more coins, they will give you 50 coins for free. So that's basically the daily task you can do every day on your account. So those of you that are like, how can I do to get coins? I cannot buy coins on JOYO Live and the likes. This is one for you that you should not take for granted. Now the last one here, scroll down rather. You see you're given opportunity to sign in to get coins. Many of you don't know this, and you have to do this in order for you to get free coins. The first one says sign in for day one, they'll give you free coins. So you click on that sign in. When you click on sign in, that was my network. When you click on sign in, you see to check, and then they will give you what? Free coins. Don't forget to come every day, because the more you sign in, the more you get what? Free coins. Day 2, that's tomorrow. When you come online, click on sign in here, they will give you 5 coins. Day 3, 15 coins. Day 4, 10 coins. Day 5, 20. Day 6, 20. And day 7, 25. So that's how you can gather coins for free on the app. And then gathering these coins, you can use it to gamble, and you may be lucky to win a lot. I know a lot that have won coins, you understand, like huge amount of coins on live streaming apps by gambling. All right, and you can also use it to play games to win more coins in return, and even do exchanges just to gift yourself for you to be able to meet up with withdrawal, stuff like that. That's what coins are being used for. So I think that's basically it. That's how to get free coins on JOYO Live. So let's go back now to see where our coins are being credited. Is it true that our coins are being credited? Look at our coins tab. I now have 35 coins there. Initially I did not have 35 coins there. I had 0 coin balance. So I don't know yet if JOYO Live offers the opportunity to get free coins through live stream fireworks like POPPOLIVE yet, but I'm still doing my research, and this is what I've come up with so far. That's basically how you can get free coins on JOYO Live daily. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Like this video and just drop a thank you in the comment section. That way I know that you found this video valuable. If you're new and you're totally clueless about the live streaming app I'm talking about, please check my other videos. I'll link it in the description and comment section below. This is Side Hustles with Jessica, and I am passionate about sharing real ways to make money online, from side hustles to money making apps and creative ways to turn small money into something bigger. So if this type of content is something you are interested in, you want to hit that subscribe button right now so you do not miss out on my future videos, because I have a lot cooking for you guys. So that's it for today's video. Let's wrap it up here. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.